The Nigerian entertainment industry is mourning following reports that popular Nollywood actor Alexx Ekubo has died at the age of 40. According to emerging reports on Tuesday, the actor reportedly passed away after complications related to an undisclosed illness in Lagos. Many reports say he died after battling kidney cancer for several months. That explains why he has been off on social media. The news quickly spread across social media platforms, triggering emotional reactions from fans, colleagues, and members of the Nollywood community. Alexx Ekubo, known for his roles in numerous Nollywood films and television productions, was widely recognized for his charisma, fashion presence, and contributions to the Nigerian movie industry. Over the years, he built a strong fan base across Africa and beyond through romantic dramas, comedy films, and major cinema productions. In recent months, fans had expressed concern over his prolonged absence from social media and public appearances, with speculation surrounding his health continuing to circulate online. As of now, official details surrounding the exact cause of death remain limited, and more information is expected to emerge in the coming hours. Tributes have already begun pouring in from fans and entertainment figures, many describing the actor's reported passing as a major loss to Nollywood. Alexx Ekubo's reported death marks a heartbreaking moment for the Nigerian film industry, where he remained one of the most recognizable actors of his generation.